Hi dear students, welcome back to our chemistry class. Today we are going to start a new topic which is called Nomenclature of the metal oxides. So we have studied in previous lessons about the oxide and the nomenclature of non-metal oxides. Today we are going to start with this. We have two methods to name these compounds or these oxides. First, it is common method which says if the elements had only one valence number or only one oxide, so first we write the name of the metal, then write oxide. We have metals and there are two types of metals. First, those which are located in main groups and their valence number is specific. For example, those metals that are located in the first group, their valence number or their charge is positive 1 in compounds. From the second group is positive 2. But in subgroups, there are some elements that they have different valence numbers. Sometimes it is positive 1, it's positive 2, 3. It is different for them. So if those elements which have specific valence number, how to name them in common method? First, write the name of the metal. For example, sodium with oxygen. Sodium, write sodium. And then instead of oxygen, write oxide. So easy. Calcium. And then instead of oxygen, write oxide. But what happens if there are transitional elements? What are the transitional elements? As we studied, they are the metals which are located in the subgroups. So, if elements have more than one valence number or oxide, like transitional elements, so we use these two suffixes. We have two suffixes. For one is used for the lower valence number and the other one is used for the higher valence number. So there are different types of elements. For example, here we have mercury and we have mercury at the same time. Ferrium or iron. Ferrium or iron. Mercury, its valence, it has two valence. Sometimes it's positive 1, sometimes it is positive 2. So, for the lower valence number, we use OUS as a suffix at the end of the metal's name. For example, mercury, instead of saying mercury, we say mercurous oxide. And for the higher valence number, we use the suffix IC. It is mercury with higher valence, so we say mercuric oxide. The same for iron, which is called ferrium, actually the name. But here we use ferrous oxide or ferric oxide. For the lower valence number, we use OUS, and for the higher one, we use IC. So that is how we name them in common method. And there is another method which is accepted worldwidely, and it is called IUPAC method. So what does IUPAC stands for? I comes from International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So it is a union and where they decide how to name the elements and everything about chemistry. In this union, they decide what to do about chemistry. So, how do we name the metal oxide in this method? First, we write the name of the metals, then their valence number in Roman numbers, and at the end, we write oxide. So easy. For example, the same compound. Here, iron, what is the valence? It is positive 2. So we write iron, then in Roman number, write the valence number 2, and at the end, write oxide. Iron, valence is positive 3, so we write 3, and at the end, write oxide. Mercury, write 1, and at the end, oxide. Mercury again, but this time the charge is positive 2. So mercury, instead of positive 2, we write 2. And at the end, we write oxide. So that was all about the oxides and the metal oxide and how do we name these metal oxide. If you have any question, you can comment down below. And for more videos, subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.